Hello everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all wallpapers on your iPhone. So just go to settings, scroll down until you see wallpaper, and here will be all of your wallpapers. But you cannot delete them directly from here. So here's the method. Lock your phone and then turn it on and press and hold on the screen. Enter your passcode and here your wallpapers will appear. To delete them, swipe up and a trash icon will appear. Just tap on it to delete a wallpaper. But unfortunately, Apple doesn't currently allow deleting all wallpapers with one tap. And you probably have to leave at least one wallpaper for your iPhone. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thank you for watching.